All right, for this lesson, you get to learn some new words to add to your vocabulary or reinforce some words that you might already know. These words all come from sparring partners or Casey at the bat, just like all the other ones this chapter and last unit. With the exception of just like the other ones in this unit, you do have to do all 6 of them. They are, like I said, a little simpler than some of the science ones. And there's some really sort of juicy words in this one. I mean, all words are cool, but some of these I think are especially cool. You'll look up a definition. You can put the definition in your own words or copy it from Google. That is fine. Remember, you can use what you know or use context clues, but just be careful that you're getting the right meaning of it and not just assuming that you know what the word means. Because you want to go to the book, use that link, or the one on Schoology so that you can make sure to see it in the sentence. Words this time: trepidation, deliberate, driving, defiance, grandeur, doffed. Doffed is sort of an old-fashioned word. I like it. Trepidation is a good one. Then once you've done your definition, you will write a sentence, capitalizing the first letter, putting a period or question mark if it's a question at the end. I know maybe not all the words will be spelled right. That's okay, but you can capitalize and use punctuation. That is important when we write sentences. I do just want to point out the word driving. It's a good example of why we need to look at it in context. Because if I open the book, it tells me it's on page 19. So we'll go find 19. You can page through. I'm going to take the shorter way. So page 19. Cole came at Felix with a straight-in punch, but unlike the driving punch he delivered at Marty, this one was slow and deliberate. So you might be tempted to say, driving is when you're operating a motor vehicle like a car. Well, not in this case. So make sure you look up what the word means in the context of the story and use the same meaning of the word to write your sentence. So I shouldn't see a sentence that says, my mom was driving the car. Okay? Again, like I've said before, once you've done this, try to pick a few that you feel like you could add to your vocabulary in your own speaking and writing. If you try and do all of them, that can be overwhelming. But even just pick, okay, one, I'm going to try and use this word today when I'm talking to my friends or my family. All right, good luck. Let me know if you have questions or need clarification on any of the words.